Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verge coin, as it has surged more than 500% in US dollar pair and 205% in Bitcoin pair. But the game is not over yet. It is forming another really very big bullish harmonic move, and that can lead the price action more than 4,400% big gains. So in today's video, we will try to understand that move. Before that, I would like to share with you this shark pattern that the price action formed before this big bullish rally in the Bitcoin market. And after that, we will watch the different moving averages as well. And at the end of this video, I would like to share with you this really very big harmonic move that can lead the price action more than 4,400% big bullish rally. First of all, I would like to share with you my previous chart that I shared almost a year ago. That was the XVG with US dollar pair, and this was the chart that I shared almost a year ago, and this was a weekly long-term chart where I just predicted that the price action of XVG is forming the final leg of this bullish shark pattern, and soon it will be entered in this potential reversal zone. And this was also, I shared this idea on the YouTube as well, and this was the first time I shared on the YouTube almost 11 months ago. You can see here almost a year ago, and the second follow-up video I shared 10 months ago. And here you can see the header of this video was the get ready for the bull ride of XVG, because it has completed the shark pattern. And I'm just playing this chart. The price action just moved a little bit down from the potential reversal zone, and here my stop loss was triggered, but it was again entered in this potential reversal zone. This was a time when there was a BTC dominance in the market, and therefore all the altcoins were moving down, and the XVG also moved down with the Bitcoin, but moved up again in the potential reversal zone, and again formed another shark pattern and took a powerful bullish divergence and produced more than 500% bullish rally. And this was the time when this final leg of this bullish shark pattern was completed, when all the markets were moving down back in March 2019, and the price action moved all the way down up to this level and produced more than 500% recovery or bullish rally after that. And at this time, the price action is moving at this level. Now in today's video, I would like to discuss with you the XVG with Bitcoin pair, as I have discussed with you the XVG with US dollar pair in my previous video. So first of all, I would like to take you to the daily chart. And here we can see that first the price action completed a bullish shark pattern and just entered in the potential reversal zone, just spiked here. And after that, the price action started a bullish rally and moved down in the potential reversal zone again. And after that, the price action again turned bullish and produced more than 205% bullish rally from this level up to this level, from 48 Satoshis up to 104 Satoshis. Now, if we watch the different indicator and the oscillators on this daily chart, then after when the price action has started this correction rally, and at this time it is moving sideways, the stochastic has given bull cross from the oversold zone, that is a bullish signal, and the MACD was strong bearish, and now we can see that it is turning bullish as it is turned weak bearish from strong bearish. That is another bullish signal. And if we watch this directional movement, then positive directional indicator, that is this blue line, is already above the negative directional indicator, that is the bearish line. So this is another bullish signal, and we have the ADX at this level, and the value of the ADX at this time is 44. This ADX is showing the power of bulls at this time. For example, if this bearish line or the negative directional indicator would be moved up here at this level, then this ADX would be showing the power of bears. But at this time, we can see that we have that positive directional indicator above this negative directional indicator. Therefore, the ADX is showing the power of bull at this time, and the value of this ADX level is 44. That is really very powerful value. And now, if we want the different moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100 and 200. This blue one is the 25, this green one is the 50, this red one is the 100, and this black one is the 200 simple moving averages. Then we can very clearly see that the price action when started the correction rally, then it moved back on this 25 simple moving average. Even the 25 simple moving average also moved up to provide the support to this price action. And at this time, the price action is moving sideways on this 25 simple moving average and likely to move up from here, as we can see that the green candlesticks are appeared, and as we have already seen that all the indicators on this daily chart are turning bullish. So we can expect another bullish rally from here, that the price action can start another bullish move from here. And if we watch the order of the moving averages, like we have the smallest time period moving average above all other moving averages, then we have 50, then 200, then the greater moving average, the biggest time period moving average, that is with the time period of 200, is below all the moving averages. So this is a complete open alligator mouth formed on this daily chart that can lead the price action more up, and that can provide a really very strong support to the price action, because we have the biggest time period moving average below all the moving averages, then we have the smaller one, then smaller one, and the smallest moving average above all these moving averages. And this is a complete formation of an open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages. So this is a really very strong bullish signal, and we can see that the price action may start another bullish rally from this level. Otherwise, if the price action will break down this support of 25 simple moving average, for example, then we have the next support at 50 simple moving average, then 100, and then 200 is the most strongest moving average or support among all these supports. Now, I would like to share with you this chart that I shared almost a year ago in July 2019. That was the XVG with Bitcoin pair, and this was the chart. And you can see here that I shared this chart on 14th of July when the price action found the support at 48 Satoshis, and I just mentioned here that the price action has finally found a support at this level. And we can see that this is the initial leg of this bearish shark pattern. Then the price action is retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Then we have the price action projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level or projection level. I've just placed this tool or this pattern tool up to this level of 1.618 Fibonacci only for the educational purpose to show you the perfection of this pattern. Otherwise, it is not possible for the price action to move up to this level that is in negative zone. And finally, the price action has also found a strong support at 48 Satoshis. So we can consider our buying zone from 48 Satoshis to this level, where from that is the 1.13 Fibonacci retracement or projection level that is at 208 Satoshis. So this can be our potential reversal zone, and I have defined the different kind of sell zones. For example, this can be our first sell zone. I've placed the Fibonacci retracement tool, and from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, we can set our sell targets here as well. For example, if the price action will be moved up to this sell zone, then that will be up to 2600%, really very big bullish move. And if the price action will complete this final leg of this bullish shark pattern, then it can move up to 4400%. And that is not impossible for the price line, as we have already seen when the price action of Bitcoin moved up, and that started the strongest bullish rally ever in the history of the Bitcoin. That was back in 2017. The XVG turned more strong bullish than the Bitcoin. At this time, you can see that back in January 2017, and the lowest price of XVG was 1 Satoshis, and it was moved up all the way to 1980 Satoshis. So that was more than 197,000%. Really very big bullish move, and we can expect such move at this time as well. But at least it is not difficult for the price line of XVG if it can make a move more than 197,000%. For example, if you would have invested $1 at that time, that would be converted to the almost $1,900 from $1 to $1,900. So that was a really very big ROI, return of investment, back in 2017. Now, if the price action will be moved from this level up to this level, then we can expect that it can produce up to 4,400%, really very big bullish move. And I'm expecting that it will complete this final leg of this bullish shark, as it has completed the final leg of bullish shark in the US dollar pair as well, and started the bullish rally of more than 500%. And I'm expecting the more powerful bullish move against the US dollar when it will start this bullish move against the Bitcoin pair. So at the same time, it will start more powerful bullish rally in the US dollar pair as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. If you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to the channel, and do share your comments with me, and do share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.